Welcome to computer aided drafting class. Let's try to draw this model which is shown on your computer screen using AutoCAD. I have AutoCAD 2021. The functions are little different, especially trim command, etc. Let's try to draw this one. Let's go start AutoCAD, open ACAD ISO 3D. Now it is completely opened. What is the size? Let me take the sizes as around 200. Okay, so I will say limits, enter 0, 0, enter, and then 250 I will take 250, 250, enter. So I have got the scale set now. So I will say Z, enter, E, enter. So now I will go and change the view to top view. Let me draw it from the top view. Okay, I will change the color also. I will change to from realistic I will change to 2D wireframe so that I can see it clearly. Now see what is the size here. The size is 90. This is how much? This is 135. Okay, so what I will do is ortho I will fix. I will just go right 90, enter, then I will come like this 135, then come down 90, enter, and close. See, I will close it. Okay, now the other one. So now the other part, let me just do it. What I have got here, this is 113 and this is 22.5. 113 plus 22.5, this gives me how much? Again 135.5. okay, so let me go back to AutoCAD, draw one more rectangle, 135.5, enter. I will come down 90, enter. I will go and write 135.5, enter. Okay, and now escape it. Now what you have got? You have got this one. So what is the fillet here? Fillet radius, this is 22.5. okay, so let me just go here, fillet, select multiple first, multiple, then select radius. Now enter 22.5, enter. Okay, between this and this, then again between this and this. Okay, now escape. Now what else I need to do now? I need to draw this portion. This is how much? 40.5. It appears to be exactly in the middle. Okay, so now I will draw a line. I will draw a line from where? From the midpoint. I will come like this, 40.5, enter, escape. Now what is the diameter of this arc? The diameter of this arc is the radius of this arc is 22.5. so let me just go select circle with a radius from here 22.5. okay, now I will draw a line from where? From here I will just come like this, I extend, leave it. One more line from where? From the quadrant, come here, type, leave it. Okay, now what else I need? I need to delete this line, no need for this line. Before that, let me make the hole also. What is the size of the hole? The size of the hole is 18 diameter. Okay, I will just go select diameter from where? From here, 18. Okay, fine. So now what else I have to do now? I have to trim and remove these lines. I trimmed it. This is not needed. Remove, escape. Do you need the center line? You don't need the center line, just remove it. Okay, this is done. Now I need to make holes over here, one hole here, one hole here. Just go, the diameter is 18, just go close to this, you get the center, draw, click here and type 18, enter. Again one more, just go close to this, come here, 18, enter. Okay, so you have this. So what is the next job? The next job is to draw this slot over here. Okay, let us see what is the size of this slot. The total size is 72, width is 18. Okay, let me draw the center line first. From here to here I have drawn, enter. Now I will offset it through, go click here, go up. 18 means how much? 9, enter. Then again select the line, come this side, 9, enter. Okay, so now I have done this one. Now I will draw one more line in the midpoint, from the midpoint from here to here, enter. So how much I should shift now? total from this end to this end is 72. I will make 18 minus because you have 9 this side radius, 9 this side radius. 72 minus 18. Let me clear it. 72 minus 18. This gives me how much? This is 54 divided by 2. That is 27. So what I will do now, I will just go here to AutoCAD. Offset through which one? This one. I will offset this side 27, enter. I will offset this one, this side 27, enter. Okay, escape. Now what I should do now, whatever is not needed, I need to delete them. I don't need this line, let me delete it. I need to draw a circle also, is it not? Circle with radius how much? Diameter 18. Another circle from the midpoint, diameter 18. Okay, escape. So now what I have to do now, I need to trim. Whatever is not needed, just let's trim it out. This is not needed, this is not needed, out. This is also not needed, out. Okay. And what about these lines? Just delete them. From here makes everything is gone. So your slot is, sorry, I didn't delete it. Enter. Okay. So now your slot is ready. Everything is ready now. So our next job is what? Our next job is to make, let me go here, let me make southwest view. Yes, it is there. Now I have to press pull. So what is the total height? 108 is the total height for this. For this it is 90. 90 means this will be how much? This will be 18 and this will be 18 plus 45. Okay. So let us just do it. The first one, press pull, go up 108, enter. This one is how much? This one is, let me just go to the calculator and then just do it. Clear. I want 18 plus 45. That is 18 plus 45 is 63. Okay. So I have to go up, I have to type 63, enter. This one I have to come up 18. Okay. Escape. So now just change the color. Now make union. See, all of them are separate pieces. This one, this one, this one. Just make them. So it's a single piece now. Now what I will do, I will move it out to remove the footprint from the bottom. See there is footprint. Just delete it. Then Z enter, E enter. So now we are here. Now what is the next job for me? Next job for me is to cut the portion over here and then make a hole on the back plate. So what I will do now, I can just draw a line. Let me select this face. Okay. Let me just go here, select the face, enter. So what I will do now, I will draw a line from where, from this point I will come like this, the montage 18. Then I will go up is how much? 90, enter. Then I am coming like this. This is let me see how much is that, 99. Okay, I will come like this, 99, enter. Then come down 90, enter. Then go to this line. This is how much? 29, enter, escape. Okay, now you have a rectangle drawn. Just go press pull. See, that's it. Now just move this one because you have drawn that rectangle. We want to get this one out from here. Okay, Z enter, E enter. So now everything is done. Now what I need to do, I need to make a hole here. That's all. Okay, so how do I make the hole? Even I can draw it here. I can draw it here, or I can go to the back face and from there also I can do it. Okay, just let me pick this face. Let me select this. Instead of turning the model, I am selecting the face, enter. Okay, now what I will do, I will draw a line. What is the dimensions he says? See here, this is how much? 45. This height is how much? 21, is it not? So what I will do is, I will draw a line. 45 is half of 90. Okay, so I will draw a line from the midpoint. Midpoint is here. I will go up. How much I need? 27, enter, escape. So this point is there. Now I will draw a circle, the diameter of the circle is 18. Draw the, be careful from here, I will make how much? 18, enter. Okay, so now this is there. So what I will do now, I will make press pull. See here, I will make press pull like this. Halas, it's done. Now I will just move this one out, this line, and circle is there, delete it, Z enter, E enter. Now your complete drawing is ready now. So what is the next job for me? Next job for me is to go to layout view and draw the layout. See here, this is there, just delete everything from the viewport. Okay, everything can be deleted. We have deleted it. Now let me just go change the angle of projection to third angle. Now let me go and select the base. The base is here. Let me put the base here, enter, go up, come here, click, go here, enter, escape. See there, your drawing is completely ready. You want to increase the size, you can increase the size. How much is the scale here? Scale here is 1:4. I can make it 1:3. Let me see if I have, no, I have 1:2. 1:2 may become little bit big and I may land outside. Yeah, I am landing outside. See here. So I will just, there is only, I can make custom. Custom is how much? Again, it is going to 1:2 only. Okay, so let me leave it at that. Let it be there. 1:2. I have changed it. Okay, so now what I will do, I will try to move this picture. Click here, just pull here little bit. See, I came inside. But this drawing, click here, just go to this border, just go up little bit, come little to the side, somewhere. See, we are down there. Okay, now make the dimensions. All the dimensions you can do. Go to annotate. Please make sure that you modify the line type from by block, change it to black color or whatever color you need. For text also change it to black or whatever color you need. Then primary units just have 0.0. Okay, now go and select the dimensioning. From here I will just go up to which point? I can just draw it up to this point. See here, and then go and select continuous dimension. So you can catch here, then you can catch here, then you can catch here. Okay, escape. Now go to this dimensioning. From here to here you have it. Then go select continuous. Go click here. Sorry, I didn't get it. Let me just do it again. From here to here, just come and click here. Now go and select continuous. Okay, finish. What else you need now? You need to draw the sizes here also. Then you have got the radius for this one. Then you have diameter for this circle, diameter for this, diameter for this circle. Then you have radius for this one you can have here. Then you have radius for, no need to radius, I will just put the linear dimension between the center to center, then between this point to this point. Then what else I have? I have the height. I have to get the height. Let me put the height here. Then I can put the width here, and then here also I can put the height. Okay, Shima? Then what else is there? Then from the center of this to this one, how much is the height? This is 21. And then the diameter of this circle, let's put the diameter for this circle. This is how much? 18. Do I have anything to do now? I think I have got everything. Yeah, one more dimension from this center to this point. It is how much? Whatever is the dimension, just write it. Three. Okay, all other dimensions are done now. Okay, so I need one more. That is between this point and this point. See here, I have forgotten this. Is it 20.3? Let me just go and check. What happened to this one? 40.5. Did I make it small? What happened to this one? Something went wrong here. Okay, let me just do it. Yeah, it's 40.5, and then from center to the center 54, and then one more dimension from here to this center. This is 113. Okay, so almost all dimensions are done now. What about this thickness? This thickness anyway. Okay, yeah, I need to mark one more. That is from here to from where? From this point to this point. This is 19. See that? 90. Everything is there. Okay, what is this 198 here? Let me delete this. Somehow it came. Okay, all dimensions are done now. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.